Here's a great deal on a 2016 Ford F-150. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the competition. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.